welcome back to the Alaskan Slime Sisters. Today we're going to be making
cloud slime.
Yeah, with instant snow and
bowls and spoons.
glue. Oh yeah, just instant snow and bowls and spoons. I'm just kidding. We are not doing that. Okay, so let's pour our white glue into our bowls.
Well, you have to adjust it down so they can see.
They can't see.
Oh. There you go. There's your white glue.
Oh, thank you. What?
How much? That much, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right, we've poured our white glue, and now we're gonna mix it in.
White glue.
Even though we don't need to actually mix anything, I'm gonna dye mine right now. So, got to get our dyes out. Oh yeah, pigments. I mean, I don't think I'm actually gonna dye it.
I'm gonna dye mine dark blue.
I'm gonna dye mine. Let's go. I think I need like an orange slime, I guess.
I
Yeah,
don't
I
have
think
very
I need
many blue
orange
slimes. So.
Wait, what kind of orange, guys? I think I'm gonna go with this orange because I think I have one that orange actually.
Sapphire blue.
Oh,
Okay.
that was a bit much. It's the same color as my bowl. All right. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Wait, Boise State colors.
Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing.
I'm gonna add some more pigment because I don't think mine is pigmented enough.
And I'm adding more dye because I don't think mine is dyed enough.
Yeah. Definitely not dyed enough. And then I think I'm actually gonna add a bit of this darker stuff just to make it pop. Oh, that was a little. That was a little more than a bit, guys. Okay. Oh wow, that is so pretty. I'm so excited. I've never actually made an orange slime before because I don't like the color orange that much.
I like sunsetty orange.
Yeah, that's why I'm making this color because I think it's
Definitely
sort of sunset.
It's definitely.
Okay, so now we're gonna start adding in our instant snow. Actually, I'm gonna scent mine. I know it's orange, but I want to scent it in melon. Actually, melon is orange. See?
And I'm scenting
coming
mine
out.
blueberry.
Wow, you've done that a lot recently. Actually, so have I, but
This is the only second time I've done it.
it smells good.
This year.
All right, we have finished mixing in our scent and our color. We're gonna start adding in our instant snow. Okay, so we're gonna add in a bit of dry stuff to start, and then we'll add in a bit of the wet stuff. This is a process, guys. It's gonna take a while.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
All right, I'm gonna add in some of my wet stuff now. Fill my hand with a bit of that. That's nice. And then use some water to activate it. Look at it grow. Wow. Okay, and we definitely got to make sure we don't make the snow too wet. Right. Need more water. That's probably about the right amount. All right. We're going to keep doing this until it is a nice scrambled egg texture. We've got it mixed in, and it's like the scrambled egg texture that's really sticky, but then also looks like you can play with it.
But you cannot.
But you can't. Okay, so now we're gonna need our baking soda. Where is our baking soda?
We probably should have added that in.
All right, I've got the baking soda. We're gonna add some of that in. Probably that much. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, now.
Mine is a really pretty color. I'm like so surprised I like it that much. I was kind of skeptical when I added in too much of that pigment. Guys, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I haven't done it in a long time. All right, now I'm gonna add in my contact solution, little at a time. Guys, when making slime, it's important to only add a little bit of activator at a time and stir it for about 30 seconds. That way, you can always know if you're over-activating or under-activating it and not totally just destroying your slime by doing either of those things.
Yeah, so just a little bit activator at a time.
So this slime is supposed to be drizzly, like this. And it's gonna look really great. I hope it turns out just like that photo. It probably won't, but it'll be okay. Okay, so this is starting to come together, and I'm super excited. So let's just keep activating. Okay, it's activated now, but you see these like small white chunks in my slime? Yeah, we gotta get rid of those, and the way to get rid of those is to add more water and mix it in. So this is what it looks like right now. Not super drizzly, but once we add in more water, and I think a tiny bit more of this, but with water in it, I think it'll be nice. I'm gonna make it like an icy, almost more icy of a snow. That way it can go right into the slime and just make it better. So
Make it way better.
All right, guys, this is the great time to tell you about where we live. So we live in Dry Bay, Alaska, and it is very remote, and there's only, so she has 2 brothers, and I have 2 brothers, and that's the only kids there are up here. Literally, there's 6 of us. But recently, there was a new kid.
There was?
Yeah, Axel.
Oh,
Pinky.
I know.
Yeah, and so it would be really nice if you guys could subscribe so we could start earning money. Actually, we need valid public watch out. I don't know. I'm just gonna stop talking. So it's starting to get a bit more drizzly, but it's not there yet. So I'm gonna keep adding snow. This is actually looking super cool. I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be like really cool. I
can't wait for the drizzle.
Me too.
Guys, you're gonna have so much ASMR.
Yes.
I'm super excited. Okay,
I'm gonna need more instance now.
Yeah, definitely. But we don't use it that often.
Yeah.
But we use a lot of it.
Whenever we do use it. So,
guys, definitely adding more snow is very helpful in this slime because it makes it more drizzly because there's more of that snow in it, so it's just more drizzly. Look how cool that looks, guys. If you love snow but it's hot all the time where you live, just buy some instant snow. Fill up a pool.
even though it's not cool.
Actually,
cold.
you know what? Like a famous, Mark Rober should do this. Fill up a pool with instant snow and then pour water in and then jump in while it's still absorbing it. That feels so cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully he watches our videos. I'm just kidding. He probably doesn't. But if he did, okay, if you're watching this and you're Mark Rober's friend, send it to him so he can do this. That'd be so cool. Also, if you guys are still watching, comment a sun emoji. And it'd just be really nice to know that you guys like our content so we feel happy to keep creating it for you. Our slimes have definitely gotten bigger since the beginning.
Why is mine so sticky?
It's sticky?
Yeah, want to feel it?
No, I don't.
Sort of sticky.
Maybe you should add more activator.
Okay.
So yeah, this slime is definitely becoming a lot more drizzly.
And it's going to be, this is one of my favorite slime textures.
Yeah, we're going to be continuing to add in more snow, more water until it becomes the perfect texture for us. Okay, guys.
So we finished our slimes.
They are so drizzly.
They are like
Look at this.
awesome.
I don't even know. Here, let me try. I don't even know how to describe this, but it feels like heaven. Okay? Heaven.
Literally.
It's great. All right. This is the finished
Product. I said product.
Oh, I thought you were trying to say project. I was like, what?
Project.
Yes, guys, I definitely recommend making or buying one of these. We made these, so you guys definitely can.
Yeah.
All you need is glue. This is not the glue we used. We used the white version.
This one.
Oh, yeah, I didn't know where that was. And, well, coloring is optional. Scent optional. Instant snow. Baking soda and
Water.
contact solution. Oh, yeah, and water. So you can make these easily at home. You can rewatch our video and see exactly how we did it and follow along at home. Or you could look up another person's tutorial on YouTube. But it'd be really nice if you guys could use ours, because if you want a slime to turn out this good,
It's just
like, I would definitely use ours.
I really like this one. Like, it's definitely my favorite. I've never.
Look at that drizzle.
It's like,
oh, it's so pretty.
I did not know it would work this way.
Yeah, me neither. I definitely, guys, I hope you guys can subscribe and like our channel. And it'd just be really nice if we could see 100 subscribers on our homepage, because we have 79 subscribers right now, so close to 100. We literally only need 21 more. It'd be really cool to have 100 subscribers, and we'll actually make a 100 celebration slime for you guys, but you guys have to subscribe to see what it looks like. So yeah. Bye!
Thanks for watching.
See you later!